In front of me is Honor 70, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then click on Biometrics and Password. Now you need to click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer. Disable or enable Rise to Wake by clicking on this icon here. And finally choose Get Started. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. After that, you need to adjust all of those options however you wish to. Click on Home button, and now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. In order to delete it, you need to go back into the same settings, tap on Face Recognition, enter your current login method and tap on Delete Facial Data. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!